Right. Well, I was supposed to be cleaning the bike and putting the fairings on, but I'm a bit late and it's a bit dark. So I will start packing my holdall ready for the stillage. So this is just stuff I'm sticking on the stillage. My toolbox is there. I will go through that in the week just to make sure everything's in it that I need. Yeah, possibly taking too many tools, but I think with tools it's better to have too much than too little. But this is just miscellaneous items. So I have a bit of a system, I'm sure we all do. I have a spreadsheet, so I take it all out of my boxes, lay it all down on the floor, and then as I put it in my holdall and bags, I tick it all off so I know I've got everything. I think this is it. So chain lube, keep the chain nice and lubed. Tea making stuff, because I don't trust the organisers. We've had some situations where tea hasn't been provided and it's been gutting. Big power adapters, so 16 amp single phase, that's the blue one, and then a 32 amp three phase is the red one. That's a bit more stable than the standard 240 volts you get from the normal sockets. 15mm extension lead with 4 sockets on it, and then I've also got a 4-way gang there just in case. Rear wheel nut ratchet, brake bleeding kit because my brakes are a bit dodgy here and there. Chain and sprocket, I don't normally take those, but mine are looking a little bit worn, so I'm going to take those just in case. Last time when I did a Euro, I took brake pads because they were looking a bit worn, and I didn't actually need them. So it depends on the event and how your items are on the bike, whether you take things like that or not. Spare sliders, because again mine are looking near the end. USB charger for phones and cameras and stuff. Air pump. That bag there has got my underlayers in, gaffer tape obviously, bug wipe and cloths just because I'm a tart and I want to clean the bike, spare clip-ons and a clutch lever. I haven't got a brake lever as it's a Brembo. Hopefully someone would have a spare if I needed it. A box full of nuts, bolts, washers and some spare foot pegs. I haven't taken spare rear sets, but I've got spare foot pegs just in case, and then the fuel jug, and then this is my holdall. I've got my boots in the sides with the gloves tucked inside, and then I've got my helmet, and I shall start packing these all around it and in another bag.